Wow, look at this heart. They have created a heart through lights. I don't know, these are laser lights or something. I can't figure it out, but I was just walking and oh my goodness, what is this? Can't believe it. Seems to be laser lights. I'm not sure about them, but it's really interesting. Wow. I hope something else pops up now. Yes, it does. Amazing. It's beautiful. So after the fireworks, this is kind of a light show. Yeah. Okay. Whoa. I'm hoping something else comes up now. Uh-oh. I don't think so. Anyways, I hope you enjoy. Oh, yes. Wow. Amazing. Look at this. How does it work? And the fireworks again start. Oh, beautiful. Very nice. So good. Ah, the lights again. Nice. Beautiful. Oh, so this is, I think, for the Chinese New Year. Whoa, yes, so I got it right, I think. This seems to be for the Chinese New Year. They're celebrating it. Wow. We are standing here at Eddington in Cambridge.